This tutorial will guide you how to remove or delete the Nil Launcher on your Android phone. Now ensure that you follow these instructions very carefully. Now tap on your settings, which is a gear icon to open your Android settings. Now once you open your settings, scroll down and select on apps. Now this will open the list of apps. Now search for Nil. You'll see here the Nil Launcher. Now click on it and then you'll see home screen. Now tap on home screen and ensure that you tap One UI as your default home screen. Now my default home screen for Samsung is One UI, so this will depend on what phone you use. Ensure that you select your default home app. My default home app is One UI Home. So once you tap on it, now just tap on settings again, scroll down and select on apps, search for the Nil Launcher again, tap on Nil Launcher. Then you'll see an option to uninstall. Now click on uninstall, click OK. This will uninstall the Nil Launcher. If your wallpaper hasn't changed just like me, make sure to hold onto your home screen just like so, and then select on themes. Now once you select on themes, just go to my stuff. This is for Galaxy themes. Tap on your default one and then click apply. Now this will start applying theme. Just wait for a few seconds. After that, your theme will be applied onto your phone and the Nil Launcher theme will be removed just like so. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.